Savlamar Hospital plunged into mourning as nurse dies. Hi, I'm Shamela Pullen. We have the details in Primetime News. Also in the news, morgues in the West running out of space as COVID death toll climbs. And what about field hospitals? We have an update. Those and much more this evening at 7.
Prime News this evening. Bodies piling up. Morgues overwhelmed by COVID deaths and measures. Medical practitioners mourn death of Savlamar Hospital colleague. And later, police officers upset over food provisions on no movement days.
Good evening and welcome once again to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. Before the break, here is our feedback question. With less than a week to go before the start of the new school year, how have you been preparing your child? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.